Today, we'll be installing these Nerf bars on this F-150 2026. I'll explain this installation step by step so you can do it yourself. As you can see here, there is no protection, no Nerf bars. It's very difficult to step inside the bed without these Nerf bars. If I was gonna get inside this truck, there is no Nerf bars. This is a big problem for most people because you have to almost jump in here to get inside, right? Look, no Nerf bars. Look at this. I have to jump out. Don't worry about it, guys. This is a very easy installation. It should take about 15 minutes, and all you get inside the package is 12 nuts and 12 washers. You're gonna be using 6 on each side. Nice matte black finish, TFP logo on the Nerf bars. As you can see here, high quality aluminum side steps. This is what you're gonna see underneath the F-150. These are the factory welded frame studs. You don't need any modifications to install these TFP Nerf bars. You get 2 here, and you're gonna be using these 2 welded studs in the middle, and you get 2 more welded studs up front. Next step, you're gonna grab the Nerf bar and you're gonna place it on the frame stud right there. Same thing here in the center, and the same thing on the 2 welded studs up front. Now you're gonna install the washer provided first, and then you're gonna proceed to install the nut. You're gonna use a 13mm socket to tighten this nut. Second welded stud, insert the washer first, then insert the nut, tie it in with the hand first, and then we're gonna proceed to do the center one. Don't tie it in yet, just leave it like that so you can move it around and make sure it's properly aligned. Very easy. Again, the washer first, then the nut, and this is the center welded stud, washer, then tighten the nut with the hand to make sure we can move it around. That's it. Now we're gonna go ahead and do the same thing in the back one. Now, once you have all washers and nuts already installed, you are gonna make sure that the Nerf bar is properly aligned before you tighten those nuts. You're gonna be using a 13mm socket to tighten those nuts. Now let's do the front. Look at the difference now. TonnoFlip Nerf bars already installed on this F-150. We already finished the driver's side. As you can see here, look at this. You can now easily step inside. Look, I don't have to be jumping now. Look, close it here. If I'm gonna step out, just put my feet here, get out. I don't have to be jumping because I have the TonnoFlip Nerf bars. Look at this. I want you to see the finish on these Nerf bars. Look at this. TFP logo in it. Nice matte black finish. Perfect. It fits very good right here. I'm very excited. This is the first time we install these Nerf bars. They just came out, and you're gonna be able to get this at TonnoFlip.com. Remember to subscribe to this channel if you wanna see more installations, more transformations, and everything about TonnoFlip. Very easy installation, guys. Now the same process on the passenger side. Let's do it. All right, passenger side is finished. Let me get my TFP hat on real quick before I show you this. Look, TonnoFlip Nerf bars already finished on this F-150 2026. No modification needed, no drilling. Very easy installation that you can do at home in under 15 minutes, guys. As you can see now, you can step inside very easily. Close the door, and if you want to get out, just step on the Nerf bars, get out easily, and this is it, guys. Remember, you're gonna be able to get all these products at TonnoFlip.com. If you like pickup trucks, this is gonna be your channel. Make sure you subscribe to TonnoFlip.